Good morning, everybody. Glad you're with us on Mile High Living. I'm Gina Bellich. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, weighed down each month, making just the minimum payments on the credit card, student loans, or car loans, or basically any other debt, it's time to minimize your monthly payments by $1,000, $2,000, or even $3,000 per month. And owner of the Home Loaner Ranger, Jason M. Rudy, knows how to beat the bills. That is true.
Yes. Gina, good morning.
Glad you're here. Absolutely. Let's talk about this. You are a big advocate for going ahead and taking advantage of the equity you may have in your home.
Yes.
And paying down your debt, right?
Absolutely. Gina, there's a lot of Colorado homeowners out there living paycheck to paycheck. I recommend putting your home's equity to work for the homeowner, consolidating some of that high interest credit card debt, maybe student loans, car loans, maybe you're back on some IRS debt, consolidating that debt into one more manageable payment, possibly saving $1,000, $2,000, maybe $3,000 a month.
Yeah, that is what everyone wants to hear.
Money.
But when you say it, this is important because you really are sort of this boutique sort of lender in the terms that you're local, and you can actually, that's an advantage for people out there right now.
I think it's a huge advantage. Gina, I'm local, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And Gina, I'm a boutique mortgage lender. What that means is I'm the only loan officer that works for my company. So when you call my company, you're always going to work with me. I have over 25 years experience in the mortgage business, and I know how to get loans closed. I think there's value to that.
Oh, absolutely. 303-862-4742. That is the number to give Jason a call. I mean, he'll be off the show in a few minutes. You can call him then. Don't worry about that. One other thing is 5280's even recognized you. We've got your mug right here in the magazine to show you right here. Tell us about this right here.
Well, this is a 5-star award. The reason I got this award is because my clients nominated me for this award, and I was selected by some judges, and I won the award. Wonderful. I think what this means is when you call and work with my mortgage company, you're going to have a 5-star experience. You're going to get good service.
Oh, absolutely. Now, some people may also think, well, maybe what if I don't have perfect credit? What if I maybe have missed a bit payment here or there, or sort of life has thrown me a curveball? You're talking A paper transactions and B paper transactions. We talked about this the other day. Explain what that means.
Yeah, we had a good conversation about this. Gina, there's a lot of Colorado homeowners out there that don't have perfect credit. They don't qualify for a conventional or an FHA loan. I have products in place that can help homeowners put their equity to work for them, maybe pay off some collections, judgments, or some write-offs. We can consolidate their outgoing debt into one more manageable payment and get their credit scores up and position them to get a better interest rate down the road. Call me today. Let's put your equity to work for you.
I love that, because what you're saying is not only can I help you with your problems or your issues right now, but I can also get you started. And then let's revisit it in 6 to 9 months, whatever the timeline is that you come to, and say, all right, now let's get your credit score up so that long term you still have another plan in place.
Absolutely. There's a lot of homeowners out there that just aren't doing anything because they don't qualify. I have products in place, I have the experience, and I know how to get these loans closed. There's a lot of loan officers that don't understand B paper. You've got to work with somebody who has an understanding of B paper who can get those loans closed. And that's me. Well,
and another thing you need to make sure people understand too is that this process you can get done efficiently. This is not a long-term deal that's going to take forever, because that might be another obstacle for a lot of people out there thinking, I just don't have time for this.
Yeah. You know, Gina, I can get loans closed as soon as 10 business days. There's no reason to spend 4 or 6 weeks or 60 days on a closing. Sometimes I get clients that call me and they're like, Jason, I've been working on a refinance for 2 months. I'm like, wow, you just don't need to spend that much time. Everybody's got a busy life. They've got things to do. You want to get this transaction done and closed as soon as possible. I can get it done as soon as 10 days.
10 days, that's pretty impressive.
Yes.
Now, another question a lot of people have, interest rates. What are you telling folks right now?
Well, the feds are meeting today. It appears as if maybe the prime lending rate's going to be increased or raised today, which means rates are moving up. If you want to get the lowest rate, I think that's where we are right now. You got to call me today, and let's get you locked in.
And this is not just, you can also handle refinance, but also purchase loans as well, right?
Absolutely. So I specialize in refinances, cash out, debt consolidation loans, but I also specialize in purchase transactions as well. So if there's any realtors out there that want to work with a good loan officer, who has experience, please call me as well. I can help you work with your clients.
One other thing, we were saying, I thought like last week it was going to be December 1st, your first payment if you were to go ahead and refinance. Now what is it?
Now we've moved into January 1st. So listen, call today, refinance, consolidate all your debt, and your first mortgage payment won't be until January 1st.
That's so far away. It's like, what?
Well, it sets you up for the holiday.
I know, perfect. Refinance now so you can beat the bills. Visit thehomeloanarranger.com. Dial them up right now, 303-862-4742. Request Jason to give you a call to discuss your options. As he said, he can close within 10 days and your first mortgage payment isn't due until January 1st. Don't put your loan in danger. Call the Home Loan Arranger. They paid for today's spot. Stay with us.